Gutenberg blocks are fun until you start customizing pages, or tackling complex design challenges, or building a complete website in the block editor, right? Well, not anymore. Introducing GutenKit, your ultimate no-code page builder blocks for Gutenberg. Kickstart your website building journey with GutenKit template library. Browse through 500+ ready templates. Pick a template that fits your vision, customize it to reflect your unique style, and you'll have your website ready in minutes. Create mega menu with images, icons, tabs, or any blocks in vertical and horizontal orientation. Break free from the design limitations with super flexible containers. Design complex layouts with page builder-like controls in Gutenberg blocks. Design dynamic websites with Query Loop Builder and dynamic content. Show posts and pages based on their types, authors, taxonomy, meta-queries, etc., and customize their appearances. GutenKit brings parallax effect to the block editor. Add smart navigation to your website with one-page scroll, enhancing the user experience. Add a wow effect to your website and craft vibrant websites with Lottie animation, glass morphism, scrolling effects, entrance animations, and mouse effects. Design your blog sites with blocks like Post Grid, Post Tab, and a reading progress bar. From accordions to tabs, off canvas to pricing tables, Google Maps to image and video blocks. You name it, GutenKit's got it. Explore our vast array of Gutenberg blocks and features to unlock a world of endless creativity. Whether you're a web designer, web developer, content marketer, agency owner, or even a beginner, GutenKit is here to transform your imagination into websites. Install GutenKit today and start building your dream website in Gutenberg.